What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be installing the Stillen lightweight underdrive pulley. I also got the belt with it, so we're going to get all that done today. So with no further ado, let's hop right into the video. So came back to the shop to install the new pulley. Alright, so this is the Stillen lightweight underdrive pulley that I bought. We tried to put it in before, as you guys can see, but the car was having a couple of issues, so we had to take it out just to make sure that's what the issue wasn't. So now we're back under the car, getting the job done again. Taking out the old harmonic balancer, and also when I bought the underdrive pulley, it came with a new belt. It came with a shorter belt because the pulley is much smaller. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that. Nigga, yo, let me see that. Shit, I thought the shit was gonna be hot. All right, so I just want to show you guys the major difference between both of them. So this right here is the old one. This is the new one that we're putting on. And then we also already got the smaller belt inside the car, but you guys could literally see the major difference between both of them. So there should definitely be a torque difference. I know they said it's going to be like a 7 horsepower difference, but so the issue that happened with my car, I came to do a job. The job that I came to do was to change out my valve cover gasket, and also one of my lines in the back popped. I think it was this line right here that had popped, and I had to get that line replaced. All the radiator fluid was coming out and everything, but that's besides the point. The day that I came in to do my valve cover gasket, when my mechanic took the coil pack out, the coil pack snapped. But the thing about it is that the coil pack was already bad, so when he took it out, all it did was just finish off the job. So the car was like violently shaking at idle, and I didn't have all the power that I should have. We were troubleshooting like crazy because at the moment we didn't know what it was. So when we finally figured it out, I went to AutoZone yesterday. I got a new coil. I put the coil in. The car went back to normal. So everything is good now. Now the next thing was to put the lightweight pulley back on, see how that works. So we just now did that. We're about to take the car out, take it for a test drive just to make sure everything's good. No cap, I wouldn't lie to y'all. I would not. The car feels so much more responsive. Oh my God, I'm hype as shit. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my mind playing tricks on me, but the car feels crazy fast. Look at this. As soon as I tap it, it goes. This shit is crazy. No cap, yo. I wish I had done this before I went to admin tuning, because I feel like if I went to admin tuning, like before it was done, I would have been able to incorporate it with my tune. I don't know if that would make a difference or not, but definitely, yo, if y'all thinking about getting this, like the lightweight pulley, I would recommend you guys getting it before you get a tune on the car. Or if you're not gonna get a tune, fuck it, just buy the shit. It actually does make a difference with or without the tune. They're saying that it makes some more horsepower, but to be honest with you, I don't know if, like, I could be wrong. I don't see the horsepower, but the torque is there. I'm telling you right now, the torque is there. It's snappy. And the delay, like, the car still has like a tiny bit of delay, but it's nothing crazy. Like, it's light. So I don't know. Like, I feel good about this. Oh my God. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.